But you are told that mystery of the seed. He said a seed, except it fall into the ground and die, it remains alone. But if it dies, it brings forth much. So he fell, the great seed, the great word of God, which is God himself, planted himself in us, containing within himself the pattern, the plane of salvation. And so, as the plane comes to its fullness of time, it erupts. And erupting in us is not something we are observing on the outside, we are experiencing it on the inside. We are actually going through the experience in the first person present. We are the main actor in the drama. Here, may I tell you, Jesus is the only reality. But everyone you meet will one day know he is Jesus. In the sleep, he doesn't know it. And because he sleeps, he has a nightmare. And he kills his brother. He steals from his brother. And therefore he's stealing from himself. For there is no other. Anytime I plot and plan to take from a seeming other for my own personal gain, I am simply robbing myself, because there is no other. There is no other. So there's only Jesus. So in the end, when they looked up and their eyes were open and the brain began to completely explode, they looked and it was Jesus only. Nothing but Jesus. When people say, I have another way to God, forget it. There's only one way to God. He said, I am the way, I am the truth, I am the life. No man comes unto the Father except by me. You can't go to the Father and find the Father unless you go through the pattern man, which is Jesus. That pattern either imposed within you or you'll never find the Father. And when it erupts within you, here, you know you are the Father.